Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got an animal right here, 1966 Corvette. It's been body off frame, nut and bolt restored. It looks like factory condition, but what's lurking under that hood is a Dart 540 big block motor. It's got Dart aluminum heads, performance built engine. It's got stainless steel exhaust all the way out the back. It sounds amazing. It's a 4-speed, it's a posi. It's a 2-top car. You can see the hardtop behind me. We got binders full of restoration documentation, a bunch of photo packs of the car completely apart off the frame. This is too heavy. I'm going to set it down. You can go to volocars.com and you can look at all the pictures of the car, top to bottom. You can read the description. You can find the prices on all of the collector cars we have for sale, including the monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. That way you're notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, you better buckle up. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this car is just exciting. The silver with the silver interior is just drop dead gorgeous. You got the wind in your hair. You're shifting through them gears with a 540 big block at your command. Like I said, the body was off the frame. We have all the pictures documenting the restoration. Every component was redone. 4-wheel disc brakes, the whole system was redone. The e-brake assembly, the brake lines, you name it. The exhaust has 3-inch custom-made stainless headers. I mean, 3-inch headers right off the motor. Think about that in a Corvette. And it's got stainless exhaust all the way back, all welded, MagnaFlow mufflers. It sounds real good. You'll hear it towards the end of this video. All the suspension, steering components completely redone. Bushings, springs, shocks. It's front and back independent suspension. It's all redone. The steering is all redone. You look up at the floors. They're nice, clean, raw fiberglass like they're supposed to be. All the chassis is painted real nice and detailed. You look up at the motor, nice clean Chevy orange motor, high torque starter, extra capacity oil pan. It's got a Muncie 4-speed transmission, and that's all been redone. All the clutch and all the related parts, the Hurst linkage, the drive shafts, axle shafts, that all looks like it's been rebuilt. According to the paperwork, it has a heavy-duty rear end center section from Tom's differentials. So underneath the car is practically like new. The restoration was done, I don't remember the exact date, but 15 years ago or so, but I think it's only been driven a few thousand miles. It still looks really fresh under there. Now let's check out the body. I forget the name of the silver, Poly Silver or something like that. It had a pretty fancy name, but it's really sharp, especially with the silver interior. Now the headlights fit real nice. The hood fits real nice. I don't see any damage. There is a little nick in the paint touched up right here, but I'm looking at the body right now, and it's straight and smooth. 2 little nicks right here. It even feels slick to the touch. This is not beat up from the top. This is all fitting really nice, no damage. I don't see any cracking. I don't see any body work. All in real nice shape. All mint right here on this side too. It's all real nice. The wheel well lip is real clean. Door shuts with ease. Super nice. Little mark that actually might, no, it's a little chip in the paint. The big block hood. Yes, all fits real nice. Headlights fit nice. I don't see any damage. I found a few chips in the paint, but the body itself is excellent. The silver is all laid out nice and uniform. Very smooth, glossy finish. And I didn't mention, they claim this was an original 427 car, the 4.25 horse car. It does have the high redline tack, and it did have a 427 non-number matching engine in here. In 2017 is when this motor was put in. I have all the receipts for that. Radial redline tires, has the correct rims and the correct 66 hubcaps. They're in mint condition. The rocker moldings look mint. Door handles are shiny. Emblems. Gas cap looks like new. It's a power antenna. It works. I just tried it. Bumpers are beautiful. A couple little imperfections, but overall beautiful. Tail lights are mint. Convertible top's in excellent shape. You can see pictures of that on our website. The window fuzzy seals. The weather strips were all replaced. Door jambs are painted real nice. The door latch assemblies look like they've been redone. The stainless trim was polished out. Windshield looks like it's new. Headlights do open and close. I demonstrate it when I back out at the end of the video. Has the bow tie mirror. So outside is just stunning. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Like I said earlier, I love the silver on silver combination. It makes it stand out. That door panel's in mint condition. It looks a little discolored in spots. I don't know if someone put a harsh cleaner on there and rubbed it a little too much, but there is a couple dark spots. But the chrome is all sparkling and it's not beat up at all. The dash pads are mint. The gauges were all sent out and restored. It does have the 6500 redline, which would have been the high horsepower big block. Quartz movement in the clock. Glove box doors mint. Inside the glove box all replaced. The light works. See, everything's real nice. There's an owner's manual. Factory AM/FM radio works. The correct style reverse lockout shifter. Console's mint. Got the right seat belts. The seats are recushioned. They're nice and firm and they're reupholstered. Here's the convertible top. It's a black top. They spent $1,000 just restoring the framework, and then they went and put all new weather strips, new top. When I say new, it was at time of restoration. It's still in excellent shape. The carpet was replaced front to back. There's a little staining on the floor mat, a little discoloring on the carpets up front because it is a light color carpet. I just noticed the light all the way in the back is working. So, the steering wheel. It's a teak wood steering wheel. It's actually 1 inch smaller than the original. Just gives you a little bit more room to get in and out of the car, but it still looks factory. And they did offer a teak wood wheel. It was an option. So a professional speed company built this motor. It's a 540. No, it's a big block Dart block, and they put a 540 assembly in there. So it's a 540 stroker. It's all balanced. It has comp hydraulic cam and lifters. Aluminum intake on top. They are aluminum Dart heads. They've been spray painted orange. Big carburetor under there, dual feed carb, MSD ignition. Got the expansion tank, the battery is secured. All the hoses look real nice. Actually, they're reproduction GM hoses. Radiator looks fresh. Alternator looks new. It does have the deep groove pulleys, which would be correct for a 4.25 horse. I mean, I can't prove it, but the guy did say this was a real 4.25 horse big block car to start with. See if you can get a glimpse of those headers. Those are handmade, piece at a time, 3-inch headers coming right off the engine there. So we got one heck of a powerhouse here, and it's reliable. It's not a race car, but it's going to give you a lot of good times. You have power steering and power brakes. It's a power steering conversion, so all that stuff was replaced. And then we've got to talk about the hardtop, because this hardtop is completely restored. I get Thunderbirds and Corvettes with hardtops. Usually they're in good shape, but it was like $2,500 or $2,800. They put a new headliner. They put a new green tinted window, all new weather strips, all the stainless and chrome and trim looks new. It's repainted. So this is a completely restored hardtop. Probably the first one I've seen in many years that's fully restored. So I was just looking at my notes, a couple more things I want to point out. One, it's called Silver Pearl Poly. I think that's a cool name. The radiator is an upgraded aluminum radiator, and I see an electric fan in addition to the engine fan. I know the wiring harness was replaced in this car. That shuts nice. Everything shuts real nice. So this is a high quality, high performance Corvette. This is not a schlock together car. It's exceptional condition. I know you think when someone's hot rodded it, you know, what kind of job did they do? But this was actually a nut and bolt frame off restored car. Then the engine was hot rodded in 2017. So there you go. You got a big engine, a 4-speed, 2 tops, power steering, power brakes, and super duper colors. Go to volocars.com. I just gave you my impression. Talk to the salesman. They'll help you out the best they can. They can help get this delivered to your driveway. They can help you finance the car if you go to volocars.com. I hope you're enjoying the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. That way you're notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.